DRM is a dynamic industrial contracting, controls, and automation company, providing advanced solutions for automated manufacturing. We call it TPI, Total Plant Integration. One recent example of performance and innovation by the DRM team is this automated head gasket assembly line, designed and built for a world-class gasket seal manufacturer. The challenge was to assemble the gaskets continually at 14 parts per minute and do so with less than a 1% scrap rate. Then to determine where any scrap might be generated. All tooling changes had to be accomplished in as little as 20 minutes and require no tools. To do this, DRM and their partners utilized and integrated 6 ABB IRB 140 robots using the Allen Bradley Remote I/O interface. A Bosch pallet system was put in place to transfer the work between processes. First, gasket parts and tooling are loaded onto rotating transfer tables so that operators may load the machine safely, while the robots and the machine remain in operation. The parts and tooling are then rotated into position. The first 3 robots transfer and assemble the parts in proper configuration onto the Bosch pallet system. From there, the assemblies travel to be checked for proper thickness tolerances. It is important to note that this machine was designed to 100% inspect each of the assemblies after each step in the process. If an assembly in a particular pallet is found to be out of spec, then it will travel through the machine and be bypassed by the remaining processes. After proper thickness has been verified, the pallet transfers the gasket assembly to be laser etched with a part identification. In this process, a control microsystems laser was integrated into the machine. As required by the manufacturer, a barcode system is also utilized. At this point, the gaskets are 100% vision inspected using high-frequency white fluorescent light and a Cognex vision system. The pallets then travel to the next set of robots. Their job is to lift the gaskets from the pallets, then position them to be stitched together with brass eyelets. The robots then place the finished gaskets onto an AB Ultra 3000 servo-controlled shuttle table, which delivers the gaskets to the 6th and final robot, which lifts the finished gasket assemblies to be again 100% vision inspected. Each eyelet is individually checked to assure proper final assembly. This is done using a high-intensity LED cluster and a Cognex vision system. After it is determined to be a good part, the robot then places the finished gasket on a belt and it exits the machine ready to be packed and shipped. If the part does not meet the requirements of this final vision inspection, the part is placed on a different belt and exits the machine. The entire process can be monitored and controlled from the operator control panel using Ethernet to communicate with the PLC. Using RS-View, DRM created an interface with multiple touch screens giving the operator details of each process. We hope you consider DRM for your next project. DRM, providing advanced solutions for automated manufacturing.